So in this video, I will teach you how to fix nearby share not working or missing. So in order to do that, let's head over first to our settings. And when in there, let's head over to our about device and make sure that your Android version as well as your version and all of this information right here are updated. If it is not, then update it. But it is updated, then you can head over to the next method. So after that, let's head over again to the home page of our settings and search in here nearby share. Let's search that nearby share. Here it is. Just click on it and you can see here that our nearby share is not on, so let's turn it on. And also make sure that your device visibility is on and it is available to everyone or your devices or your contacts depending on what you need. So that is for everyone to see you, and if this is not turned on, then your nearby share will not be working. Then the next thing that you can do is to just click on your power button right here and restart your phone. After that, head over again to nearby share and you can now safely use it however you like. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.